even better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gonna have you jealous. I know that
Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's Auto Shop. But this is going to be posted on the Tony's Phone Collection videos now because I went ahead and deleted the automotive channel because it was just easier to merge these together. That way I can answer comments a lot quicker. Today we're going to be looking at my 2003 Suzuki Grand Vitara. It's basically the same thing as the XL7 except for it's shorter wheelbase and it doesn't have the third row. It does have keyless entry and the standard Suzuki key. So we're going to take a look inside of it and then we'll go outside. So there's a gauge cluster. Check engine lights on because it has no catalytic converters. Right there. So it does have cruise control. You get your steering or your turning signals. Also your automatic headlights. Your cruise control, and you do have radio controls that are mounted on the steering wheel. Your wiper controls. Heated mirrors on this one. You also have your panel dim, automatic driver's side window down, and you have to hold it up. Power mirrors, power door locks. This is basically, like I said, the same thing as the XL7, except for in 03 they did get a dash update. So this is the newer interior. You have automatic climate control options. You have your clock and your outside temperature. Aftermarket radio. You do have an overhead console for sunglasses. I put LEDs in this as well. Got your visors with your mirror. That's some paperwork up there. Same transmission as in the XL7. It's a 4-speed. Do have your power mode button. Up here you got cup holders. And then you have like a little storage compartment up in there. So that's pretty cool. This is a 4-wheel drive model. The newer ones have the 4-wheel drive that's push button up here. And then some of them have the rear air on the XL7 with this interior. The rear air is on that side. Could have heated seats, but these are cloth seats, so this does not have the leather. Center console, you have your e-brake, another cup holder, a power outlet here, and I forgot there's one up here as well. Opening up your little center console, this can fold all the way back for 2 cup holders in the rear. This armrest does, it's kind of sticky though, but this armrest does slide back and forth, but it's kind of broken on mine. So I'm going to shut off, take a look at the rest of it. There's the interior. The back seat's kind of small, but like I said, this is the shorter wheelbase, so it's definitely a lot shorter than the other Suzuki I have. There's the front from the back seat. Oh, the child lock's on again. Give me 1 second, guys. Alrighty. The child lock control is right there. And these do have 16-inch rims. I have plastic dipped them. I do have the center cap for that one, but it's broken, so I'll have to put it on eventually. I guess here's the back of the vehicle. Some of these did come with the spoiler up here. In the rear, we have my 2 subwoofers. You got your jack on this side. Little pocket here and a little pocket there. These seats do fold down. I used to have roof racks up here, but I did take them off because I don't really like them. There's the side. On the passenger door, you have your window and your door lock switch. On my 01, I don't have a door lock switch on my passenger side. You also have a little tray under here that slides out, just like the 01. Glove box, a whole bunch of stuff in there. But yeah, that's my 03 Suzuki Grand Vitara. I traded the Envoy and got rid of it, and I got this instead. I don't really like the Envoy. I like my Suzukis better, so hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.